Hi.
Hello, Vidya.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Brian.
Okay, Brian, how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, and how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, you're good. Okay, are you ready for your speaking test?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go. Okay, so look at the picture.
Yes.
Okay, I'd like you to point. Okay, to point the object that I will tell you. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, where is the shelf?
It's here.
Okay, where is the car?
It's here.
Okay, very good. Okay, which is the computer?
It's here.
Very good. Which is the board?
It's here.
Okay, very good. Where is the picture? Picture with giraffe. Picture.
It's here.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, look at the picture again. So we have here the windows, the chair, the books, box, the bean, the board, and the table. Okay, so I'd like you. Okay, what is this object?
It's a cupboard.
It's a cupboard. Okay, I'd like you to put the cupboard. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I will put the cupboard here. Okay, what can you say about... Oh, no. What is that? I'm mental blocked. What is this, teacher? Screen. Yeah, it's okay. 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 So, Brian, I will put the cupboard here. What can you say about the cupboard?
The cupboard
Board?
is
The cupboard
the cupboard
is...
is under the board.
Okay, very good. The cupboard is under the board. Okay, so what is this object?
It's a book.
It's a...
It's a book.
Okay, very good. What is the color of this book?
It's blue.
It's blue. Very good. How many books do you see?
One.
One. Okay, I'd like you to put the book under the bin. Okay, under the bin. Under. Okay, so what can you say now about the book?
The book is under the bin.
Okay, very good. Okay. What is this one?
It's a shelf.
It's a shelf. Okay, shelf. I will put the shelf here. What can you say about the shelf?
The shelf.
Shelf?
The shelf is under the board.
Wow, very good. Okay, so how about this one?
It's a rubber.
It's a rubber. What's the color of this rubber?
It's red and blue.
Okay, how many rubbers do you see?
One.
Only one. Okay, I will put the rubber here on top of the books. Okay, what can we say about the rubber now?
The rubber is on the books.
Wow, good job. Very good. Okay, last one. What is this?
It's a pen.
It's a pen. Okay, what's the color of this pen?
It's purple.
It's purple. Okay, I'd like you to put that pen under the table. Under the table. Put the pen under the table. Good job. What can we say now about the pen?
The pen is under the table.
Wow, very good. Okay, perfect. Okay. Brian, are you ready for reading?
Yes.
Okay, so you are going to read the conversation out loud. Okay? Ready? Go.
Oh no, where's my pencil? It's here. And where's my book? It's here too. Look. Oh, thank you, Beth.
Wow, very good. Good job. Fantastic.